on the play gay. Rap attaché at the Shay Shank. These fake hip hop skanks make it bank. I'ma pave way for peace and pace the streets with my peace. Thinking at least if it mean my G's, protect my safety. Or like resurrect my gang, please. I spent weeks in a pen, treated like weak Homo sapiens. I hope to save my friends. I still don't pay my rents. Now I'm dead. I have plenty many smoke sesh. I choke meth. Don't sleep up tweak. Coughing cigarettes. Won't speak. Erupt in the police. Till they shoot me dead in a coffin. My nigga rest. I run from the pigs often. Foes capture me, torture me. I have no regret. I know I can get fed, but I know her pussy's wet. She walking down the wrong street, wrong town, wrong time. Can be deadly for me. So I pack my Tech 9 full of weaponry. Ask me what's the task, my G. I'm asked blasphemy in my CD. It's consequential the way I rock the pencil. Those that will shoot me dead will unravel a storm that's been beneath the gravel. My gangs won't compete. I beg the whole nation, do my thing and clean my probation. Yeah, I slay at the street location. See me deep in the pavement, waving, mason. I split sick for real red thug. You look dick in your spell bed bum. Most y'all advertise lies, close call guys, but his hands were shy. Lighthearted, I let my legs fly out my mouth. Big pyromania, pity the witty artist who hold the gun, fools and run. I'll attack quick. I suppose those hoes broke roads, had tough youth. Just know I can touch you, never ever bluff. Whether the weather's rough, I see a feather she can cluck. You can slut, such truths did much move. Advertise the prize, factories need demise. Holding many children in the assembly line. It should be a crime, time runs out. My gun's out, rise my soldiers. When I told my story, I told yours. Mentally move boulders, eventually stop bullets. Don't mention me to you, friend. I gotta remain discreet, rule for you. Can actually stop the street.